Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Hold My Nugget Studios once again, live from SoFi Stadium as the reigning defending undisputed Super Bowl champion of the world, Los Angeles Rams, host the Las Vegas Raiders in your 2022 NFL Week 14 Thursday Night Football game highlight commentary. And here comes Derek Vehicle leading the Raiders offense alongside Josh Jacobs and Davante Adams, who are both on an absolute tear this season. And thank the Lord for those two, because Derek Vehicle has not had any stability since entering the league, playing for 6 different head coaches in 9 seasons, and his defense has never helped him since that 2016 season where he ended up breaking his leg. Nevertheless, opening drive, 3rd and 5, Vehicle looking towards his right. He's got Davante Adams, one hand. Jalen Ramsey continues to get destroyed on prime time. He caught the ball with one hand, unable to even see the pigskin. This man is on a different level. How beneficial. He's had magnificent timing and chemistry with his quarterback dating back to the college days. Whether they're wearing red or wearing black, they can't be stopped. At least between the two of them, because Lord knows they've lost 7 games. They blew 3 double-digit leads this season.
You could have seen this video early and ad-free. Make sure to join on patreon.com/Chiseled Adonis, and you won't have to worry about ads. What are you waiting for? Click the link in the description.
Now in Rams territory, Derek Vehicle looking towards his left. He's got Amir Abdullah, picks up another Raiders first down inside the 25. Couple plays later, toss over to Double J, no Jeff Jarrett, Josh Jacobs. He's going to carry the football inside the 5, and the Raiders have first and goal. After nearly a 6-minute drive, you got to cap it off with a score. Hand off to Double J, no Jeff Jarrett, Josh Jacobs gets into the end zone, and Las Vegas leads by 7. What happened to the Rams? They returned 16 of their 22 starters that won a Super Bowl last year, but ain't nobody been healthy to be on the field. They sacrifice health and money for a championship. Stafford's out, Kupp is out, Aaron Donald is out, and not even on the sideline. The Rams have lost 6 straight games, the longest by a defending Super Bowl champion in history. Sean McVay naturally looks like he snorts cocaine, but after this season, can you blame him?
I understand.
You buy 14 grams of crack, then you sell it.
Opening drive for John Wolford and the Los Angeles Rams. Come here. Grand opening, grand closing, 3 and out. Ensuing drive, time for a little bit of trickery. End around reverse to
Got your hat.
What is the phenomena behind these big-ass hats? What the hell is that? Is that a Pokemon? Ah, another one! What are you? Hey, look, it's Ice Cube next to that ugly creature that just so happens to be Mark Davis. If that man ever got abducted, I'm sure they would just give him a haircut and send his ass back. 52-yard field goal for Daniel Carlson. Puts it through the uprights, makes it a double-digit lead. Wait a minute. After one drive, John Wolford done got benched and insert Los Angeles pastry chef Baker Mayfield. He joined the team on Tuesday, never practiced. How the hell he gonna know the playbook, especially when they running plays like...
Here we go, Lens, Seduce Right Claw, Z Short Lander, Z Strong, X Revo, Z Lockback, Can with 2 Jet, X Monday, Astro Reed, Alert Money, Deacon, Flow, F Panama, on the Omaha, Ready Break.
He copied my whole fucking flow. Word for word, bar for bar.
And that's just one play. He got a whole wristband color coordinated. He don't know what's going on, and they expect him to lead a game in prime time.
Boy, ain't no fucking way, boy.
Very first play of the game for Baker Mayfield. Looking towards his right, he's got a man, Scooby-Doo Van Jefferson, inside Raiders territory. That set up Matt Homosexual from 55 yards out. He boots it through the uprights, and it's good. The Rams cut their deficit down to 7. How the hell he just let a field goal drive?
How do you do that?
I haven't a clue what's going on here, but I'll act like I do.
Into the second quarter we go. Derek, turn up the music. Safe to say, following Mac Hollins' plays, you're able to find a field goal as Daniel Carlson makes it a 10-point game again. Once more, insert Baker. I don't know the playbook, but I'm going to wing it. Mayfield looking towards his left. He's got Tutu Atwell, takes it inside Raiders territory. Very next play.
Where do you think you're going? Come here.
Max Crosby takes him down for the sack, but Mayfield doesn't give a shit. 2 plays later, down the middle, he's got occasional hand Skoranek for the first down. Under 5 minutes left to go in the quarter, handoff to Cam Akers, but he's got Butterfingers fumbles on the play, scooped up by the Raiders.
Show me a moves. Falcon punch.
Oh, that hit just the right spot.
Chandler Jones forces the fumble. The Raiders on the ensuing drive on the move. Josh Jacobs picks up the first down to the 44. 3 plays later, Jalen Ramsey still getting sex. Devontae Adams destroyed this man off the line. Huge reception at the 15. Look at the footwork. Look at the footwork. Somebody put this clip on OnlyFans. Foot fetish section, please. Top 0.01% of all creators. I said it during the Super Bowl. I'll say it again. When we didn't know what Jalen Ramsey's sexuality was, he was the best corner in the game. He went from looking like he get beat deep off the field to getting beat deep on the field.
You tell me. You tell me. Anytime I lined up on him.
Right before halftime, Derek Vehicle trying to add points and in the end zone got a man.
Yoink.
But he plays for the other team. Pass intercepted by Los Angeles. No points for you.
And now a word from our sponsors.
No matter the occasion, Manscaped is the ultimate gift. The brand new Manscaped Performance Package 4.0. Included in the Performance Package is their bestseller, the new 4th generation Lawnmower 4.0. The waterproof cordless body trimmer with advanced skin-safe technology. Manscaped threw in their Weed Whacker nose and ear hair trimmer. And don't let your chimney get clogged up with unruly hairs. The Weed Whacker is the safe and simple solution to whacking the weeds. It's also cordless and waterproof, which makes cleaning up a breeze. But don't forget their signature scent, the Refined Cologne by Manscaped. It's light but masculine, the perfect combination. It's a compliment to any modern man's bathroom. And of course, where would we be without the Crop Preserver Ball Deodorant and the Crop Reviver Ball Toner Spray? And given it's the giving season, it's only right that Manscaped is giving you a special limited time offer. With every purchase of the Performance Package Bundle 4.0, you'll receive not 1, but 2 free gifts. The amount of products you can fit into the Shed travel bag is ridiculous. You can take the entire collection on the go with you. And a free pair of Manscaped's anti-chafing boxer briefs. So do yourself a favor and click the link in my description. Go to manscaped.com/chiseled and save 20% off your very next Manscaped order, plus 2 gifts and free shipping only at manscaped.com. Your jingle balls will thank you.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Into the second half we go. Here comes Mayfield.
We have you surrounded.
Come back here, you little son of a bitch.
Man's getting assaulted at the 20. Los Angeles would go on to punt. Ensuing drive. Josh Jacobs gets the handoff. He's got Butterfingers. Fumbles on the play. Scooped up by the Los Angeles. He got tripped up slightly before he went to the ground, but he did leave the game with an injury. He would return. 3rd and 5 for Las Vegas. Derek Vehicle on the move, rolling towards his right. He's going to try to pick up the first.
You want another one? Come at me, bro.
Bobby Wagner out there looking like Keith Lee. Done turned Derek Vehicle into Adam Cole.
Baby! Adam Cole, baby!
The Rams get the football back. Baker Mayfield still can't do shit.
We have you surrounded.
Oh, shit!
Following drive, Derek Vehicle looking for Devontae Adams, but just threw the football out of his reach. They'd be forced to punt. Baker's back on the field. Play action fake, says, fuck it, somebody's down there, because I doubt he knows his teammates' names yet. It's sail incomplete, but there's laundry on the field.
Foul, foul!
Why'd the Raiders defenders decide to run into Tutu Atwell? I know he's a ballerina, but why? And then they get pushed out of field goal range because a fat bastard decided to keep pushing Las Vegas Raiders.
Almighty push.
That forced Matt Homosexual to kick from 61 yards out. It's wide to the left. It wasn't close to being good. And it's all your fault, you
Fat son of a bitch. He's fat. You're a fat bitch, you are.
No good, lousy son of a bitch.
Raiders get the football in magnificent field positioning, hand off to Jacobs, and he'd pick up another first down. That set up a Daniel Carlson 36-yard field goal. Raiders by 13.
You need a shout out? Book me on Cameo.com/Chiseled Adonis and get a shout out, birthday wishes, draft order for your fantasy football team. It don't matter. Book me. What are you waiting for?
Following drive, here comes Mayfield trying to lead a comeback. Looking over the middle, he's got Skoranek inside Raiders territory. Couple plays later, takes the snap, looking towards his left, he's got Higbee inside the 25. 3 plays later, 3rd and 10, Mayfield firing down the field. He's got Atwell at the 11. Under 5 minutes left to play. Where is Baker getting this swagger from? He was a bum just 2 weeks ago. Steps up in the pocket, looking right, got his man, but he's 1 yard short. It's a 2-possession game, 4 minutes left to play. You can't afford the field goal. He's got Cam Akers for the first down. And on the very next play, handoff to Akers again, and he'd punch his way into the end zone for the score. Rams cut it down to 6. Or did they? Because upon further review, it's very tough to determine if he scored a touchdown or not. It may look like his body broke the plane, but if you take a look at where the football is positioned in the furthest hand from the end zone, at no point does it look like that ball goes into the end zone. This should have been ruled a non-score. Last I checked, scoring plays are automatically reviewed. Why was this not reviewed any further? They only ran 1 replay and immediately set up the extra point. Granted, you need to see enough evidence to determine whether or not you want to overturn the call on the field or not. But let's have a little bit of consistency in the review. Last week, they took damn near 4 minutes to look at Hunter Henry's score, but this week it took 1 play. Have some consistency here. Ensuing drive, think fast. The Raiders can't pick up the first down, and they'd be participating in the Frank Costanza challenge, cuz.
I stopped short.
The Raiders would milk the clock down to the 2-minute warning and punt the football back to the Los Angeles Rams. It'd take a favorable bounce and roll all the way inside the 5 to the 2-yard line. Hollins out here hitting the gritty. It'd be crazy if his team blew a lead.
You want to become an official member at Hold My Nuggets Incorporated? Head over to ChiseledAdonisShop.com and grab your merch. Stock is flying off the shelves. Get it before it's gone. Grab a hat. Let the people know your affiliation.
1:45 left to play. Baker Mayfield takes the field for a team he just joined under a week ago. Looking towards his left, got Atwell for a 9-yard gain. Very next play, the Los Angeles pastry chef Baker Mayfield out here cooking apple. Turnovers, pass intercepted by the Raiders. This game is again pass interference on the defense. A defensive motherfucker wanted to hold the offensive motherfucker cause of motherfucking negligence, and that's gonna be an automatic motherfucking first down. Very next play, Mayfield takes the snap.
Holy shit! Oh.
He's sacked by Max Crosby. It's gonna be 7th and 7. Woo, woo, clitoris alert, woo, woo, clitoris alert, woo, woo, woo. Unsportsmanlike conduct on the defense.
This fat son of a bitch
decided to slap the football out of Mayfield's hand following the sack. That's gonna be a 15-yard penalty and an automatic first down.
bullshit.
Max Crosby once again makes a phenomenal play for his team. He's well on his way to a first-team All-Pro selection, but that
fat son of a bitch
Tillery went into business for himself and slapped the football out of a man's hands right in front of the referees. What do you have to gain from this situation? Just go back to your side of the field. You didn't need to do this. Were you a male dominatrix in your past life? What you slapping balls after the play for? For the second time this drive, the Raiders give the Rams an automatic first down. Following the penalty, here comes Baker. Takes the snap, looking towards his right. He's got occasional hand Skoranek, who whispers in the Raiders secondary's ears, "Hold my nuggets, suck my dick." He put his nipples in Hobbs' mouth, put his appendage on his chest plate, took that boy's soul.
Your soul is mine.
Now inside Raiders territory, Mayfield takes the snap over the middle, got his man, he's gonna pick up 9. Very next play, 2nd and 1, Baker takes the snap, looking over the middle, they're still on the move. Skoranek takes it to the 23. Coach! You had a 16-3 lead with a little over 5 minutes left to play. No way you guys blow this lead, right?
Hit the like button and make sure to subscribe. Also, follow me on all social media networks, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at Chiseled Adonis. Make sure you get your fix of all Chiseled Adonis content.
After clocking it, very next play, Mayfield looking towards the end zone. He's got Scooby-Doo Van Jefferson. Touchdown Rams! Touchdown Rams! Tie game 16 apiece. The Raiders have blown a double-digit lead for the 4th time this season.
I cannot believe it.
Dude, what the fuck?
I would have gotten away with it if it weren't for those meddling kids.
You buy 14 grams of crack. Then you sell it.
Webb looks like he was trapped in a web. Van Jefferson beat him square off the line. Mans didn't even attempt to look back at the quarterback because he knew he was already defeated. Not a coupe, not a sedan, not an SUV, truck, sprinter, but a Scooby-Doo. Van Jefferson got the best of you, stupid. Get that man off the field. All he was doing out there was grabbing, desperately not trying to blow the lead, but it was already too late. The extra point from Matt Homosexual through the uprights, and it's good. The Rams have the lead. Mayfield taking a second to pray to the same God that made the people believe that he was a bust. Quick, Blastoise, use Skull Bash. This is a coach and quarterback duo match made in heaven. One dude wants CTE, the other dude looks like he's on
14 grams of crack.
Following the kickoff, 9 seconds left to play. Derek Vehicle's last chance pass over the middle. Yoink. Intercepted. The Rams come from behind. An improbable comeback win. And in back-to-back primetime games, both the Tampa Bay Buccaneers and Los Angeles Rams pull off 13-point comebacks with mere minutes left to play. With this L, the Raiders tie an NFL record for the most losses in a season when leading by 13-plus points.
I am having a very bad day. I am in no mood. This, today, is one of the worst days that I've had in a long time.
Coach! How undisciplined is your football team? With the game on the line following a sack, you're picking up unsportsmanlike conduct penalties, blown a double-digit lead for the 4th time this season, and fucked away an opportunity to put the reigning defending undisputed Super Bowl champs in the death note. McDaniels, you ain't shit without Bill Belichick. Put your motherfucking head back down as Baker Mayfield becomes the first quarterback in the Super Bowl era to lead a 13-plus point comeback in his debut with 2 different teams, and he don't even know the playbook with the Rams as he tell the Las Vegas Raiders to take out their Metro cards and get aboard the
You lose.
Failure.
Get the fuck out of here.
What's for dinner? Fresh hot ales.
You mean to tell me you watched the entire video but you haven't subscribed? Hit the subscribe button and become a member on Patreon or on YouTube to get access to the Discord. We're waiting for you in the Shadow Realm.